stocks which we've covered is Adani Ports, Adani Enterprise, as well as Ambuja Cements, the three prominent ones in the F&O category for our markets as well. Now the data is very interesting. So we started off looking at the Jan series as well as the Feb series data so far. And in the month of January, for example, Adani Ports was into an overbought territory when the stock was trading at 700-750 mark. It fell very sharply, of course, on the back of the selling for the initial selling for the Adani group of stocks, and then the stock has bounced back again, and it's come back into an overbought territory just around the 600 mark itself. Now, when we talk of Adani Enterprise, the stock which was at an extremely overbought territory when the stock was at 4,000 plus levels, fell very sharply to almost 1100 plus mark, and then from there the rebound happened towards the 2200 levels, and now the stock is into an oversold category, which is why in the last couple of days you've seen a very strong and ferocious bounce which has come back into Adani Enterprise. But then the third stock is interesting, Ambuja Cements. This stock went into a very neutral kind of a territory in the month of January. That's why the selling for Ambuja Cements is not been very intense. It's just been a net 10% to 15% kind of a band for Ambuja Cement, as compared to a band of more than 30 to 40% for the rest of the Adani group of names. Now the data in terms of price also indicates, as well as the open interest also indicates an interesting picture. The stock for Adani Ports, the open interest has dropped down significantly from the month of February towards the March. This indicates that traders are more willing to carry forward long positions, so the volatility would sub down significantly for Adani Ports, and the stock may get into a very gradual kind of an uptrend for itself. Adani Enterprise, on the other hand, the stock has witnessed an additional round of pressure in terms of build-up of open interest, and that's why short covering for Adani Enterprise could be very fierce and very intense as compared to the other names. And last and finally, Ambuja Cements, the stock has seen a very mild change in the open interest from 6.3 crores to just mildly 6.1 crores, and that indicates that the stock is going through a very neutral territory. So three different stocks from the Adani stable and three different price action as well as reaction.